I want to disagree that there was any betrayal. You cannot betray a cause that does not exist. From our corner, we had no common position. We talked and discussed and we said everybody should be free to vote either way, depending on how you feel, how your conscience is, and consulting the people that you represent. So there was no betrayal. The real contest is coming, and there was no contest there. And you cannot betray a cause and go to a no cause, because when you say that they have betrayed Deputy President William Ruto to go and support who is the candidate on the other side? When we ask our colleagues in Parliament who are opposed to Dr. William Ruto, whom they are supporting, they have no idea, they have no clue, they are waiting to be told. So you cannot betray somebody in favor of nobody. So we want to say that what happened in Parliament was barely procedural, and it has no effect on what is happening politically going forward in the 2022 contest. Let the proponents bring the BBI to the people of Kenya will make a decision either way. And ourselves, we don't want to get involved in this BBI thing. Our hands are full. We are working on an economic model for the economic revival of this country and our region, and that is our focus. That is what we are really interested in. And the fact that we went there to be on record does not mean anything. We just wanted to be on record that we are opposed to forcing something onto people when at a time when we have a pandemic, when people have economic problems, when people have no food, when people have no jobs, when people are really crying. We found it very insensitive and uncalled for. And I don't think there is any issue. We are waiting for them to go and sell the BBI. As they sell the BBI, ourselves, we shall be consulting our people on their input on the economic model and what we need to do to revive our economy and move this country forward.